Welcome back to the episode 2 on economics and you by Data Pulse Visuals. Fields and factories, the secret relationship between agriculture and industry. What connects a wheat field to a steel plant? Or a sugarcane farm to a paper mill? The answer lies in a powerful but often overlooked partnership, agriculture and industry. Together, they form the backbone of a balanced economy. Today, we explore this secret relationship and its importance to employment, development, and innovation. Seedling agriculture supports industry. Agriculture provides the basic raw materials that many industries rely on. For instance, cotton feeds the textile industry, sugarcane powers sugar mills and biofuel plants, while oilseeds like mustard and groundnut drive edible oil industries. In fact, food processing, leather, tobacco, and even pharmaceutical industries are deeply rooted in agricultural outputs. When the agriculture sector thrives, the industry gets the fuel it needs to grow. This supply-side dependency is fundamental. Agriculture is the engine that starts the industrial train. Industry supports agriculture. It's not a one-way street. Industry, too, uplifts agriculture by supplying fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation equipment, and most importantly, machinery. Think of tractors, harvesters, drip irrigation systems, and cold storage units, all made in factories but used on farms. Industries also help process surplus food, adding value through packaging, refrigeration, and marketing. This forward linkage, where raw agricultural goods are turned into consumer-ready products, adds income to the farmer and quality to the market. Mechanization is the magic that happens when industrial tech meets the soil. From simple plows to GPS-guided tractors and robotic harvesters, machinery has revolutionized farming. It leads to higher productivity, better quality yields, and reduced labor dependency. Mechanization also supports precision agriculture. Using sensors and AI to optimize water, pesticide, and seed use. However, this also creates a demand for skilled labor, which brings us to the human side of the story. Employment linkages. The relationship between agriculture and industry isn't just economic, it's deeply human. Both sectors create millions of jobs. Agriculture employs over 40% of the global workforce, but many of these jobs are informal and seasonal. Industries offer stable, better-paying jobs, especially in rural regions. When agro-based industries like dairy plants, flour mills, or textile units emerge near farms, they absorb surplus rural labor, reducing unemployment and preventing rural-to-urban migration. Thus, employment linkage is a crucial bond that balances both development and demographics. Rural industrialization. A key to bridging the rural-urban gap is rural industrialization, developing industries within or near rural areas, based on local resources. For example, Punjab's dairy cooperatives, Maharashtra's sugar mills, or West Bengal's jute industry are prime models of how agriculture inspires industry growth close to the source. These industries boost rural income, improve infrastructure, and encourage entrepreneurship. This decentralized growth leads to inclusive development, where progress is not confined to cities alone. Challenges in the relationship. Yet, the relationship isn't without friction. Climate change, soil degradation, and price volatility in agriculture affect industrial supply chains. Meanwhile, industries may overexploit water or cause pollution, harming agricultural productivity. There's also a technological divide. While industries rapidly adopt AI and automation, many farmers still lack access to basic tools. Add to this the challenge of inefficient logistics, lack of rural finance, and inadequate cold chains, and the gap widens. Without coordination, both sectors can suffer. Policies and solutions. Governments and institutions can play a key role in strengthening this bond. Policies that support integrated rural development, agro-clusters, and public-private partnerships are vital. Schemes like PM Kusum in India, which promotes solar-powered irrigation, or agricultural credit programs that help farmers buy machinery, are examples. Subsidies on fertilizers, investment in cold storage infrastructure, and skill development missions can bridge the rural-industrial divide. Globally, FAO and UNIDO promote joint frameworks that ensure both sectors grow together, not apart. The future of agriculture-industry synergy. Looking forward, the agriculture-industry relationship is expected to grow even stronger with the rise of agri-tech. Do like and subscribe for more.